Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So sorry I haven't been uploading that much. We kind of just ran out of stuff to film, I would say. But right now we are about to leave my office to go install a front splitter on my fiance's Mark 7 GTI. I believe she got the Aerofabb V2 front lip. It should be pretty easy install. But there's another thing I'm going to be doing to my car too, is actually lowering the rear just a little bit more. I'm trying to just mess around with fitment. So even with the BC top hats being maxed out, it's not even close to where I want. I believe it's only like maybe 2 to 3 degrees of camber, and it's not really something that I really like. So with I believe I'm gonna go with the on-eye camber plates. I believe they go around like roughly around -7 camber. I'm going back and forth between headers or just doing a full lip kit around the car. Let me know what you guys think. So let's go ahead and go home and install everything.
This is front lip topping. Oh, I see. Hold on. There you go. Now, Brody.
You getting it?
Huh?
So you getting it?
Yeah.
Huh?
There's only 3, right?
Yeah, there's only 3.
Oi! That's a rock.
And what's cool is if you flip it around, it has a little Aerofabb thing right here.
This is the top.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got everything put back, or put on yesterday. So right now we are just going to be putting the bumper back on.